everyone, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and this is Vlogmas Day, I believe 7. I don't know, I've lost track. But anywho, and we're going to continue on with the apartment tour and what we're going to be revamping in 2020. And the next stop on the tour is the main hall bathroom, which normally I don't use it, but because the master closet bathroom, which is technically the master bedroom, which I do not sleep in, the master bedroom will be turned into a closet, so I can walk right out of the bathroom into my closet. And my guest bedroom, which now is my bedroom, master bedroom, is where I currently sleep, and I will show you that in the next video to come. I don't know if it'll be the next one or the one after that, but I'm going to take you on the tour of the main hall bathroom. Right now I'm standing in the hallway of the apartment, which connects. Behind me is the master closet. In front of me is the bedroom that I sleep in, and we're just gonna I'll show you this way. There's the front door, and behind me, and the kitchen, all of that back there. So what I'm gonna do is turn you around and show you my main bathroom and the things that I'm going to be changing. Okay guys, I am standing at the door of the bathroom, and I'm going to take you on inside and show you what I've come up with so far in here. What? Definitely the floors will be changed. Those two rugs came from Dollar General. I just put them together to make one rug in front of the vanity. We're gonna look at the vanity here. I've kind of painted the bottom in this taupey gray color, but it just seems so drab that I think I'm gonna just repaint it white, because I haven't finished anyway, and paint it white. And these are the original avocado green countertops. These are the same color of the countertops that's in the kitchen that I showed you guys that I painted black. They will get a coat of that same black paint as well. Here is just some guest towels. The plant. It's a full plant, it's not real. The theme in here is this chair, because that's where we come to sit in here, so I thought chairs would be fitting. This wall decor, it used to be a bronzy color and I painted it silver. This mirror used to be, here I am. Outfit, getting fat. Outfit, cashmere turtleneck with leopard pants, and I have on some, which you can't see, I don't think. Let me see, because I don't have a full length mirror. And some brown riding boots. You'll see the shower and tub behind me. But moving on, again, there's the chairs where we come to sit. That's where we sit. And in here it's white and gray and silver and gold colors. Just some towels rolled up with ribbon, white towels. I thought that was fitting the just for decorations. I don't use those. And this little, just for the essentials. As you can see here, the curtains are all the way up. Those sheer ones came from Wish. And the other curtains came from Ross. No. They came from Burlington. Shower curtain, I think Walmart. And they have a gold tie back. And they go all the way up to the ceiling. And the shower curtains has these little crystal shower hooks on them. You can see that there. And in the shower are those gold frames peeking through. And a little spotted leopard. That middle picture inside the frame, this right here, will be changed out. Those are the colors that I used to. I have this turquoise color previously in the home. I just haven't changed out that picture yet, but that will. So again, guys, this is the bathroom, and we will be changing out some things. Of course, the floors in here, and I don't know about this vanity I painted. It was this creamy color, white color. I think I'll just paint it another coat and gold leaf out the gold that's in there already. These countertops will become again black, and the cabinet itself will become white. And